Before any hacking or security testing starts, there's one important step: finding what devices are on the network. In this video, I'll show you how to do network discovery using a tool called NetDiscover. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I'm using my own network and virtual machine. Never scan networks you don't own or have permission to test. What is NetDiscover? NetDiscover is a network discovery tool available in Kali Linux. It uses ARP requests to identify live devices on a local network, works on LAN, finds IP addresses and MAC addresses used by security professionals and network admins. This is reconnaissance, not hacking. Check your network. First, let's check our own IP address so we know the network range. Command IPA. As you can see, this is our machine's IP address. We will use this to scan our network. Basic NetDiscover scan. Now let's run NetDiscover with default settings. Command sudo netdiscover. The tool sends ARP requests, automatically detects the network, lists all live devices, understanding the output, IP address to device location, MAC address to hardware, ID vendor to manufacturer, VMware, Intel, etc. At this stage, we're simply mapping the network. Scan a specific range. Professionals usually scan a specific range instead of everything. Command sudo netdiscover -r192.168.1.0/24 -r equals range/24 equals all possible local IPs, faster and cleaner results. Passive mode, stealthy. NetDiscover also has a passive mode where it only listens. Command sudo netdiscover-p. No packets sent, only listens for ARP traffic, useful for monitoring and detection. Slow and stable scan. If you want a slower and quieter scan, you can adjust the scan speed. Command sudo netdiscover-r192.168.1.0/24-S10. -S10 equals slower scan, reduces network noise, more accurate in some environments. Real-world use cases: finding unknown devices, detecting rogue systems, network inventory, pre-scan before Nmap. Both attackers and defenders start here. NetDiscover teaches us one thing: cybersecurity starts with visibility. If you know your network, you can secure it. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a full Kali Linux tool series.